Yeah. Hi students. I hope you understood well. In the previous session what we have discussed about the areas of shaded region, combination of plane figures. And from exercise 12.3, here some questions we are going to discuss. That is question number 13. In figure, this is the figure OABC is a square inscribed in a quadrant of OPBQ. So OPBQ is a quadrant, OABC is a square. If OA is equals to 20 centimeter, that is side of a square, find the area of the shaded region. We have to find out area of this shaded region. So one is a quadrant, one is a square. Side of the square is given. Side of the square is given. And what about the quadrant? Quadrant is OPB. OPBQ is a quadrant. So if you know the radius, then it is easy to find out. Area of the quadrant minus area of the square. If you find out area of the quadrant, then subtract area of the square from the area of the quadrant. Then you will get area of the shaded region. What we have to do first? Area of the quadrant minus area of the square will give you area of the shaded region. To find out area of the quadrant, we required its radius. So how can we find out? Can anyone guess how to find out radius? Yes, you are right. That is to join. If you see, observe it. If you join O to B, O to B, what do you call that? From center, this is a quadrant OPBQ, which is nothing but OP is the radius, or OB is also radius, or OQ is also radius. So OP, this is the radius. If you find out, you are right, if you find out this OB length, then it is easy to find area of the quadrant. That is nothing but radius. This is 20 centimeters is given, because we know in a square all sides are equal. So this also will be 20 centimeter from here to here. So what do you call for the square? This one, diagonal. What do you call? Diagonal. So now if you find out the diagonal, or which is nothing but a right triangle, we can use the concept diagonal will be root 2 times of its side, or by applying OAB Pythagoras property, then you will come to know OB length, then it is easy to you to find out. So for that, first we are going to do, so in a square, given that, look at this solution. In square OABC, OA is equals to OB is equals to BC is equals to OC, which is equals to 20 centimeters, and OB is the diagonal as well as it is the radius of the quadrant. It is the radius of the quadrant OPBQ. OB is, now if you find out by applying Pythagoras property in this, then you will come to know the length of the diagonal. As now in triangle OAB, apply Pythagoras property. OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. See, you can apply Pythagoras property in triangle, or else direct property. The diagonal of the square is root 2 times of its side. That also is applicable. Diagonal of a square, length of the diagonal is root 2 times of the side of the square. That is also we can use here. OB square is equals to OA square plus OB square. So OB square is equals to, what is OA length? 20 square plus OAB length again 20 square. which is equals to 400 plus 400, which is equals to 800. So OB square is equals to 800. Then OB is equals to root 800, root of 800, which can be written as root of 2 into 400, which we write as square root of 400 is 20. So 20 root 2, that is nothing but OB is 20 root 2 centimeters. 20 root 2 centimeters. So that is the 20 root 2 centimeters is 20 root 2. So 20 root 2 centimeters, which is equals to, here I write 20 root 2 centimeters. That means OB, which is nothing but OB is equals to radius. Radius, which is equals to 20 root 2 centimeters. Now we know the radius and we can calculate area of the quadrant. Then we can calculate area of the square. Subtract from area of the quadrant, area of the square. You will be obtaining area of the shaded region. Now, area of the quadrant. Now, area of quadrant. Area of quadrant. What is the quadrant name? OPBQ. OPBQ is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? That is 90 degrees, as it is a square. So 90 by 360 into, use pi value, he said 3.14 in the question. So 3.14 into r square. Radius we got 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. Now, see here, 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. 3.14. Look at the, observe it carefully. This I am writing as 90 ones are 90, 90 fours are 360. So 1 by 4 into 3.14. Better to write as by fractional form 300 by 14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. So here 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 cancel. What we have? 3 1 4 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, which is equals to, here I am writing, observe it, 314 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, which is nothing but 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So which you can write this one as, the area 314 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11, 8 3s are 24 plus 8 3s are 24 plus 1. Observe it carefully. What is 20 root 2 we got? That is the radius. So pi r square, 20 into 20, 2 0 0 cancel. So we got 314 into 2 into 2 into, here we have 1 by 4, we forgot that one, into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, before writing it 1 by 4, you can cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So what is left over? 314 into root 2 into root 2. That's what I am checking here. So 1 by 4 we forgot here. Now root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 314, which is nothing but 314 into 2 is equals to, this is equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 centimeter square. This is area of quadrant. Area of quadrant, which is a quadrant name OPBQ, is equals to 628 centimeter square. Now area of the square, what is the square name? OABC. OABC is equals to side into side, which will give you What is the side of the square? 20 into 20. 20 into 20, which is equals to 400 centimeter square. Now, area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equals to area of quadrant. Area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of square. Area of square. What is the name of the square? OABC. OABC, which is equals to, so area of the quadrant we got 628 minus area of the square we got 400, which will give you 628 minus 400, so we get 228 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the shaded region, area of shaded region is equals to 228 centimeter square. So first we found the diagonal of the square, which is nothing but the radius of the quadrant. Then we calculated area of quadrant, then subtracted the area of the square from the area of the quadrant. I hope you understood. Now here we have question number 15. In figure ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. So this is a 14 centimeter from A to this also 14 centimeters, 14 centimeter, and a semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. So BC, this is a semicircle as a diameter BC. Find area of the shaded region. You have to find out the area of shaded region. Which portion is shaded here? This portion is shaded. So find area of the shaded region. So for that, what we have to find out? So first, see here this portion, this BC. So I locate the point. I locate two different points over here. So here is P and here I am locating as Q. Observe it carefully. ACPB is a quadrant and CQB is a semicircle with diameter BC. So for that, first you have to find out area of the shaded region. To find area of the shaded region, semicircle diameter, that is BC, that we have to find out. We don't know that, he did not give. We can find out. Then first find out area of this quadrant. From that, if you subtract the area of the triangle, then you will get area of BPC portion, this portion. Then that you have to subtract from area of the semicircle. Then you will be obtaining area of the shaded region. Look at this carefully. So in triangle, area of the quadrant. Observe it carefully. Solution. Radius of the quadrant. Radius of the quadrant R is equals to 14 centimeters. Now area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant. What is the quadrant? ACPB. ACPB is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta value we got? That is, it is a quadrant, means angle will be 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, 90 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 14 into 14 centimeter square. Now you observe it here. Theta value we got 90 degrees as it is a quadrant. So 90 ones are 90, 90 fours are 360. Then 7 ones are 7 twos are. Then here 2 table, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So all the denominator terms are cancelled, which you have here. This is 22 into 7, which is nothing but 154 centimeter square. This is area of quadrant. Area of quadrant, what is the name? ACPB is equals to 154 centimeter square. Are you following? 154 centimeter square. Now area of the quadrant we got. You see, area of quadrant, from that area of the triangle if you subtract, so area of triangle, now area of triangle ABC, which is equals to half into base into height. What is half into base is 14 and 14. So 14 into 14, 2 ones are 2 sevens are, which is equals to 98 centimeter square. This is area of triangle ABC is equals to 98 centimeter square. We got now area of the triangle and area of this quadrant. To find out BPC area, only this portion which I am circling, to find out this portion, we have to subtract area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. If you remove this portion, the circles which I made circles, if you remove this, then you will find out, if you subtract area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle, you obtain area of BPC. Area of BPC. Area of BPC you will obtain. So now find out, observe it, look. Now we are finding area of BPC. Area of BPC is equals to area of ACPB quadrant. ACPB minus area of triangle ABC. So which is equals to, we know that the area of the quadrant we got 154 centimeter square minus 98 centimeter square, which will give you subtraction. You will be getting 14 minus 8 6 and 14 minus 9 56 centimeter square. This is the area of BPC, means this portion BPC. Now you have to find out the diameter of semicircle. Now diameter of semicircle. What is semicircle here? CQB is a semicircle or BQC is a semicircle. What is the diameter? Diameter of semicircle BQC is BC. This is BC is the diameter. So if you find out BC, which is nothing but the hypotenuse of triangle ABC, then you can find out area of the semicircle. So now in triangle ABC, as Pythagoras property, so BC square is equals to BA square plus AC square. Observe it. BC square is equals to BA square plus AC square, side square plus side square, hypotenuse. So BC square is equals to, what is the side BA? 14. 14 square plus 14 square, which is equals to 196 plus 196. BC square is equals to, which can be written as 306 plus 612, 392. So BC is equals to root of 192. This can be written as, root of 192 can be written as 2 into root of 392, 2 into 196, 2 times of 196 only 392, which could be expressed as 14 root 2. 14 square root of 196 is 14. 14 square is 196. Square root of 196 is 14. So 14 root 2 centimeter. This is BC. What is BC we assumed here? radius. What we assume? Radius of the quadrant. So radius of semicircle. Sorry, BC is the diameter. Radius of semicircle we need to find out. Now, diameter of semicircle is diameter BC is equals to 14 root 2 centimeters. Now, radius will be half of in it. So, radius is equals to 14 root 2 by 2, which is equals to 7 root 2 centimeter. Now, after this 7 root 2 centimeter, we got the radius of the semicircle. That is, here BC is the diameter, we got radius. Find out area of the semicircle. As we know, area of semicircle. What is area of the semicircle? Half pi r square. Here I am doing this area of the semicircle, half pi r square, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into, observe it, 1 by 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Once again I will write half pi r square. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Now you see here, 2 ones are 2 11s. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Are you following? 2 ones are 2 11s are. 7 ones are 7. Root 2 into root 2. Now we have the terms here, 11 into 7 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, which is equals to root 2 into root 2 is 2. Are you following? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 into 11, 154 centimeters square. This is area of the semicircle. Area of semicircle. What is semicircle name? BQC. BQC is equals to 154 centimeter square. Now you have to find out area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. This is BQC. This is semicircle. We are going to find area of the the shaded region is equals to find out that from semicircle, if you subtract this portion BPC portion, then you will get area of this shaded region. Write this one. I'll erase this part, then we'll continue this question. Now you see, area of shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to area of semicircle. What is semicircle? BQC, that's full thing, BQC minus area of BPC. BPC. What is area of semicircle B that we got? 154 centimeter square minus area of BPC, just now we subtracted, we got as 56 centimeter square. So 154 minus 56 you will get again. So 154 minus 56 you will get 98 centimeter square. So therefore area of shaded region is equals to 98 centimeter square. So first we found area of the quadrant ABPC. Then we found area of the triangle. We subtracted from the quadrant area of the triangle. We got this portion area of this. Then we found the diameter, which is nothing but hypotenuse of the triangle. Then we found area of the triangle, area of the semicircle. From area of the semicircle, we subtracted this area of this portion. Then we got area of the shaded region. I hope you understood. Now question number 16. Calculate the area of the design region in figure common between the two quadrants of a circle of radius 8 centimeters. See here, the circle of radius is given as 8 centimeters. This can be do in two ways. One is by dividing into diagonal, triangle and a quadrant, or first you find out area of the square, then area of one quadrant. You see here, both are described on the same radius, here also radius, and this is one quadrant and this is another quadrant. So area of these two quadrants from this portion, this is completely, and this is the portion completely from here. If you subtract area of the square, we will name it as ABCD, area of ABCD from area of two quadrants. What are the quadrants? The radii is same. ABD is one quadrant, BCD is another quadrant. So area of these two quadrants, in the two quadrants, which is the common portion? This is the common portion. So area of together two quadrants, if you subtract area of the square full, then you get area of the shaded region. Then you will be getting area of the shaded region. So when we are doing this quadrant, we will name it as A, B, I'll write here P is 1 point. So P is 1 point here and Q is another point. You see here, two quadrants. We have to identify differently two quadrants. One is A, B, P, D, another quadrant. B, C, D, Q is another quadrant. So first solution, radius of the quadrant. Radius of the quadrant is equals to 8 centimeter. So we are finding area of ABPD. Which is that quadrant? Area of ABPD, which is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta, that is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 8 into 8, which is equals to 90 ones are 94 are 4 ones are 4 twos are. Observe it. 22 by 7 into 2 into 8. 2 twos are 4. 44 into 8. 8 fours are 44. Observe it clearly. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8. 4 91s are 94s are 4 2s are 8. So here we have 44 into 8 352. How? 44 into 8, this is 8. So 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35 by 7 centimeter square. So area of quadrant, what is the name? ABPD is equals to 352 by 7 centimeter square. 352 by 7 centimeter square, which we got 352 by 7 centimeter square. Now here area of another quadrant we are going to find. Now area of quadrant, observe it. Now area of quadrant, what is the name of the quadrant? BCDQ. BCDQ. See, look at this. BCDQ. That area we are going to find out. Again the same formula, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Radius is same for both the quadrant, which is equals to, you can multiply directly with 2. So theta by 360 into pi r square, which is nothing but 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8. So which you will get here. So 90 ones are 90, 94s are 360, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. So which you are getting as 352 by 7 centimeter square. So area of quadrant, what is the name? BCDQ is equals to 352 by 7 centimeter square. Now area of two quadrants together, is area of two quadrants is equals to, so 352 by 7 plus 352 by 7, 352 by 7 plus 352 by 7, which will give you, so this is 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 704 by 7 centimeter square. Area of two quadrants. What are the quadrants? BCDQ, and area of another quadrant is BCDQ, ABPD, the two quadrants. Now find out area of the square. Now area of the square, what is area of the square? Square is ABCD. ABCD is equals to side into side, which is equals to 8 into 8, 64 centimeter square. This is area of the square. Area of square is equal to 64 centimeter square. Now after finding area of the square, subtract from both the quadrants. You observe it clearly. This quadrant is covering up to here, this quadrant is covering up to here. So from those two sums, if you subtract area of the square, so then you will get area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to area of two quadrants, sum of the areas of two quadrants, sum of the areas of two quadrants minus area of square. Area of square. What is sum of the areas of two quadrants? 704. So 704 by 7 centimeter square minus 64 centimeter square. If you find out LCM, so LCM will be 704 minus 64 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 2 remains. 7 6 are 42 plus 2. 7 6 are 42 plus 2, 44, which is equals to, now you subtract this one, here if you subtract, so 704 and 448, 14 minus 8, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 2, so which is equals to 256 by 7 centimeter square. So therefore area of shaded region is equals to 256 by 7 centimeter square. This is the rough one. This is the final answer. So first we found area of one quadrant. Because both the quadrants are same, you can directly multiply with 2 instead of finding again. You can multiply directly with 2 also. Because both the quadrants are having the same radii and same angle is quadrant means 90 degrees. Then we found area of the square, subtracted from that, then area of the shaded region which is in between, that is 256 by 7 centimeter square. Is it clear? So with this topic we have finished areas of, with this question we have finished the areas related to circles concept. I hope you understood what we have discussed in this. So in this we have discussed circumference of the circle. When two circumferences given, how to find out radius of the new circle when both circumferences are equal to the circumference of the bigger circle. Then similarly areas of two circles is equal to areas of the new formed circle. Then we found the radius, circular regions. Then after we found areas of quadrant, areas of the segment, areas of the sector, area of the segment. To find area of the segment, we discussed area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So if the triangle is normal half into base into height, then if it is equilateral triangle, we use the formula root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is nothing but side of the square. Then we find areas of the combination of figures. In that, what are the combinations? Circle, square, triangle, these are all. So with this concept is completed, areas related to circles. Again in the next session we meet with some other concept. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you children. We'll meet again in the next session. Thank you.